Hello viewers, welcome to the IWM Buzz Weekly News Wrap where we bring forward to you all the major happenings from the world of entertainment. To begin with, let's take a look at the top stories. Now viewers, the biggest buzz of the week has to be the fact that Shilpa Shetty has officially broken her silence in the Raj Kundra case. She took to social media to put forward an official statement on the same, and she has requested people to not go forward with a media trial. Now the next big news that we heard this week was the fact that Yo-Yo Honey Singh's wife has filed a case of domestic violence against the rapper. Last but certainly not the least, Ranveer Singh is the man who has been finalized for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Baiju Bawra. Earlier we heard names like Ranbir Kapoor and Kartik Aaryan, but the name that has been finalized at the end is Ranveer. Viewers, let's take a quick look at some of the important exclusive news breaks that the team of IWM Buzz have done this week. Child actor Ekam Binjwe, who was earlier seen in Choti Sardarni, is all set to enter Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein. We hear that his entry is all set to mark a very important twist in the tale. Now the next big news that the team of IWM Buzz have broken this week is the fact that Shivjyoti Rajput, who was earlier seen in Bebaki, is all set to be a part of Special Ops 1.5. We hear that she is going to be one of the new characters that's going to be introduced in the series. Last but certainly not the least, Neha Vaishnav is all set to be a part of Shahid Kapoor's upcoming digital web series Fake. It is the digital debut of Shahid, and we hear that Neha is all set to play a very important role in the project. Now viewers, just like every other week, this week as well, we had some really interesting exclusive videos for you all, and we are confident about the fact that you're going to be loving them. Actor Rajpal Yadav was on the channel to promote Hangama 2. From talking about the movie to sharing his work equation with director Priyadarshan, he spoke a lot of interesting things.
जब आपने शुरुआत किया था तब आपके लिए क्या लेंथ ऑफ द रोल मैटर करता था या फिर आप वो सब नहीं सोचते कभी?
नहीं, वो सोचते तो शायद फिर स्ट्रेंथ नहीं मिल पाती लेंथ के बारे में अगर सोचते तो फिल्मों में जब ट्राई करना शुरू किया तो एक फिल्म शुरू हुई थी जो पहली एक्चुअली 70 mm की फिल्म कह सकते हो आप, जिसका नाम था शूट। उसके डायरेक्टर ई निवास उसके डायरेक्टर थे, तो उन्होंने हमसे कहा था कि मैं जब उनको फोटोग्राफ देने पहुंचा, हमें खूब ध्यान है, ई निवास ने पूछा कि 3 लाइन प्रॉपर बोल पाना। हमने कहा बोलूंगा, कोशिश करूंगा। आप जो हो उसमें बेस्ट करो, तो शायद ऊपर तो फिर जो आप बेस्ट होते हो उससे वो कोई न कोई करवा लेता है।
Actress Isha Deol was on the channel as well earlier to promote her latest movie Ek Dua. From talking about her upcoming project with Aday Devgan to sharing about her future plans in movies and OTT, she said a lot.
I think it was purely the story and the subject that really touched my heart. When it was offered to me to act in, I felt I want to associate with it in a bigger scale. And then, of course, the fact that we created Bharat Esha Films and made Ek Dua as our first home production says a lot. Because as a woman, as a mother, as a daughter, I completely empathize and sympathize with the character that I play, Abida.
Lastly, but certainly not the least, Anushka Sen was on the channel earlier as well to talk about Khatron Ke Khiladi season 11 and her latest short film Lihaf. We bet you cannot miss out on these videos.
बहुत ही अच्छा था। हमने दिसंबर में किया था शूट ये कश्मीर में, एंड इट वाज रियली कोल्ड। और जो मैंने सीखा है इसमें, मतलब क्योंकि कैरेक्टर फेस्टिवल फिल्म में जो भी कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं या जो भी शूट होता है बहुत ही ऑर्गेनिक एंड रॉ वे में होता है, तो एज एन एक्टर मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, क्योंकि बहुत प्रिपरेशन, बहुत वर्कशॉप्स करके हमने ये फिल्म बनाई।
Now viewers, for all the lovers of entertainment, fashion has always been a top priority, and hence today we take a look at the fashion hit and fashion pit for this week. Actress Kiara Advani completely looked like a daydream in that lovely green floral Turani sari. We absolutely love that look. On the other hand, Big Boss 13 fame Shehnaz Gill, who was seen wearing a white shirt and a rainbow printed Rocky Star outfit, couldn't really impress with her look. We feel that she could have done a lot better. Now viewers, just like every other week, this week as well, we had some really interesting shows releasing, and we totally understand it's not easy for you to pick the best ones. That's why we at IWM Buzz are here with our list. The first one that makes it to our list is Here Today. This one, starring Billy Crystal and Tiffany Haddish, is the ideal laughter marathon that you would want after a hectic week of work. If you're looking forward to a laughter marathon, this is the one that you need to see this weekend. The next one that makes it to our list is City of Dreams Season 2. Now, if you're somebody who enjoys political thrillers, this one, starring Atul Kulkarni, Priya Bapat, Ijaz Khan and Sachin Pilgaonkar, will certainly keep you glued to the screen. We bet you cannot miss out on these two. Viewers, with that we come to an end of this week's episode of the IWMBuzz Weekly News Wrap, where we bring forward to you all the latest masala and spice from the world of entertainment. We'll see you all next week. Till then, take care, stay safe and God bless. Thank you.